Hi guys, you're here with Matt Draper.
And I'm Eugene Kelly at G&M Family Farm. G&M Family Farm was started back in 2013 by Gerard Smith with a focus on agriculture and beekeeping. We've grown today to focus more on cannabis, on the beekeeping research to develop the Newfoundland bee to increase productivity and growth in the next few years.
And we specialize in medical cannabis. Here we focus on handcrafted, wholesome, humble, hands-on.
I think it's important to support local because it's your friends, it's your family, and at the end of the day, they're here for more than just your dollar. They're here to help the community.